How many coin flips does it take to get 5 heads in a row? Most people guess somewhere around 10, maybe 15. The answer is 62. Now apply that thinking to options. If you're selling a 10 delta put spread with a 90% win rate, how often should you expect a brutal losing streak? Today, I'll show you how to use simple Markov chains, exactly how often these streaks show up, and what that means for anyone selling premium and options. For those of you new here, my name is Mark Anderson, construction worker turned zero DTE and multi-strategy hedge fund manager at MBH Capital Management. I've sold over $100 million in zero DTE premium and traded over 1,000 consecutive days in a row. A lot of traders obsess over win rate. I win 90% of the time. Great, but they never think about when those losses can cluster together. Markov chains give us a clean way to model those streaks. We'll start with coins, then map it out directly to your P&L. Let's start simple. A Markov chain is a mathematical model for systems that move between different states. The key insight is something called the memoryless property. When you go next depends only on where you are right now, not the entire history. A Markov chain is just a system that moves between two states, where the future depends only on where you are now, not how you got there. That's called memoryless. Think of it like this. If you're in a room, the doors are available depending only on the current room you're in, not which room you walked through an hour ago. Here's another example, weather. Let's say you have 3 states, sunny, rainy, and cloudy. If today is sunny, maybe there's an 80% chance tomorrow is sunny again, and a 20% chance it's cloudy. If today is rainy, maybe there's a 50% chance it stays rainy, 30% chance it's cloudy, and 20% chance it's sunny. No matter what, the critical part here is the past doesn't matter. If you want to know Friday's weather, you only need to know Thursday because it's in the chain. It doesn't matter if it rained the last 2 straight weeks. Only Thursday determines the future probability for Friday. That's a Markov chain. Now let's do something more interesting than weather and show this with coin flips. On average, how many flips do you need to get 2 heads in a row with a fair weighted coin? Your gut answer is usually 4 or 5 because the probability is 25%. The correct answer is 6. Here's how we model it. We set up states based on how many consecutive heads we've achieved. State 0, no consecutive heads yet. Last flip was tail and we're just starting. State 1, we just flipped 1 head. State 2, we got 2 heads in a row. That's our goal. From state 0, we flip tails, stay at state 0. We flip heads, move to state 1. From state 1, we flip tails, back to state 0. Our streak is broken. Heads, we hit state 2. Done. When you work through the math, setting up equations for expected flips in each state, you get 6 flips to achieve 2 heads in a row. Now scale this up. For 5 heads in a row, the expected number of flips jumps to 62. That's actually a clean formula for a fair coin. Expected flips equals 2 times the quantity to the n minus 1. For n equals 5, that's 2 times 32, which equals 62. The lesson here is that consecutive runs of outcomes are rarer than our intuition suggests, even with a fair coin. From a premium seller's perspective, the high win rate means streaks of wins are common and expected. You'll win almost every day. That's the easy part. But the risk is concentrated in the infrequent but inevitable cluster of losses. Losing streaks, the model gives you a mathematical basis for strict risk management. Tight stop losses, defined maximum capital exposure per trade, and most importantly, the psychological preparation for when the losses eventually cluster together. Because when a loss does occur in premium selling, it's often much larger than the premium collected from many previous wins. That's the asymmetry built into the strategy. The Markov chain isn't telling you when the streak will hit. It's telling you if you keep playing this game, these streaks are coming. Your job is to build systems that survive that. So the next time someone brags about their 90% win rate strategy, ask them, cool, what's your plan for when you hit 3 losses in a row? How often do you expect that to happen? If they don't have an answer, they don't understand the system. They have a ticking clock. That's all for today. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next one.